With all the updates in PokeRogue, things have changed a little bit. But if you want to unlock any Pokemon like Eternatus, I've got you. The first thing you're going to want to do is start a new game. So as you can see, I started a new save file so that I can show you when I unlock a Pokemon. Right now, I only have the starters. From the Pokemon selection screen here, you want to pull up DevTools. On Chrome, that's F12. If you're using a different web browser, you just want to Google how to pull up DevTools. So go ahead and hit F12. And that should bring up this screen right here. From here, you want to go down to the bottom where it says search. If it doesn't say search right here, click on these three dots and go up to search and click on it. In the find bar, you're going to type in show use candies and hit enter. And that's going to pull up this line right here and you're just going to click on it. After a couple of seconds, it should populate in this main screen right here. You're going to go from show use candies up one line and insert your breakpoint. So show use candies up one line, breakpoint. From there, you're going to go back into the game, click inside the game, go to any Pokemon, hit spacebar and go down to use candies. And that's gonna pause the debugger. Now I'm gonna show you guys the code. So this right here is the only thing that you're gonna have to change. You're gonna have to remove this X and replace it with the dex number of the Pokemon you want to unlock. So for this video, we're gonna be unlocking Eternatus. So I'm gonna type in 890. And so everything for the rest of this code is just maxing out everything that Pokemon has. So it's gonna give you every egg move, it's gonna give you 200 candy, it's gonna give you all the shiny variants, and it's gonna max out the IVs. So let's go ahead and copy this, and then head back into the game. Now that we're back in the game, the next thing you wanna do is go up to console and click on that, and we're gonna be working down here in this area right here. So the first thing you wanna type in here is if you can't paste, you wanna type in allow pasting, then click on that and hit enter. Then you should be allowed to paste. Then we're gonna add our code. I'm gonna hit Control V, and so we have our code. Next thing we need to do is change this X to the dex number of the Pokemon you want. Like I said, we're doing Eternatus, so I'm gonna do 890. We're just gonna go down to the bottom here, and I'm gonna hit enter. All right, next you're gonna go up and unpause the debugger, and then exit out of DevTools, and go back into the game. And then we're gonna go back to the main menu. Now don't refresh or anything, because if you do, it'll reset the code. All we're gonna do is go back into new game. And as you can see here, added to our array of starters is our Eternatus. It's got 200 candies, it's got all of its egg moves, and you could do this with any Pokemon in the game. Now, if you wanna make sure this saves, you have to go and play a game, play a couple of floors. Once it saves, it'll keep it. Go out there and catch them all.